A system evacuation at the time of installation is essential. Moisture is the most harmful enemy of a air conditioner system. If there is any moisture is in the system, it will combine with refrigerant to form hydrochloric acid, which is extremely corrosive to metal components and will eventually affect to the sealing surfaces components and joints, resulting in internal or external leaks. Almost all of the moisture is removed by evacuation with a vacuum pump. You want no water, no air, no bugs, no metal grains and soldered connection in the inside of pipe to maintain long life and good performance of air conditioner. Evacuation process must be performed in correct way to overcome some issues like less refrigerant charge. Since air occupies some area, so less refrigerant will charge in refrigerant pipe and refrigerant system. Second issue is condenser capacity reduces. Air is non-condensate gas, that means air occupies more space and refrigerant occupies less space in system. Result in condenser capacity reduces and cooling capacity also decreases. Third issue is increased condenser pressure and temperature. Occupied non-condensable gas will not condense easily compared to refrigerants, result in increasing pressure and temperature of the system. Fourth issue is compressor overheated. As the condenser get overheated and the pressure will increase and enters to evaporator, then compressor leads to overheated. Fifth issue is less cooling and more power consumption. When the compressor gets overheated, power load will increase on compressor, result in more power consumption and less cooling capacity because of air occupancy. Evacuation serves two functions. It removes the non-condensable air from the system. Air contains oxygen which serves to chemically react with the refrigerant and oil, which is constantly heated and cool as well as subject to high and then low pressure in the system. The heat and pressure are enough to make system failure. And evacuation also removes water vapor from the system. The water vapor helps ensure the chemical breakdown. So we are going to conclude this video here only. This is strong recommendation that you must follow all the process of evacuation to reduce all these drawbacks.